has a beautiful home on a large corner lot with a great view and golf course access is what you are searching for. This is it. This is a must-see home. The kitchen boasts of granite counters, durable wood flooring and stainless steel appliances. The bathrooms also have granite counters. Off the kitchen laundry and a wood-burning fireplace in the living room add to the main floor's 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The basement's walkout is off the large family room that is wired for surround sound. The workout room has mirrored closet doors for full-body view. The basement also has an extra functional room that is currently being utilized as an office. The basement bedroom can also catch the views of the golf course. The golf cart storage has a new overhead door and room for a workshop. Drive right off the course into your home. When you are not golfing, sit and enjoy watching those that are from your deck.